Hello, this is Time Trade. Welcome to the channel where trading becomes smarter with the help of neural networks. Here, we use advanced AI to analyze massive amounts of market data and generate clear, logic-based signals. No emotions, no guesswork. This isn't about hype or empty promises. It's about real tools for real results. If you're looking to trade more confidently and make better decisions using artificial intelligence, you're in the right place. Subscribe and let's trade with precision and purpose. By the way, you can test this neural network without registration. To do this, follow the link below to the bot interface. Click the menu button and select the start command. After that, click the test signal button. You will get the opportunity to test the bot, and after that, pick up the tool for free under the terms of the promotion. The artificial intelligence will remain with you forever with full functionality. Please like this video and subscribe. And by the way, a free cool training course on trading will be released soon. To get it, just subscribe to my Telegram and join the team. Let's start trading and test the bot. Now you see the interface of the trading bot in Telegram. First, you need to select a currency pair from the list for your first trade. Let's take the Australian dollar and the Swiss franc. After that, I go to the Pocket Option Broker and find this currency pair in the search bar in advance. I will set the expiration time to 5 minutes. The investment amount is $300. Now I return to the bot interface and click the expiration time button for 5 minutes. As you can see, the neural network analyzes the market. After the analysis, the trading bot gave a signal to decrease the price on the 5-minute time frame. Well, now I will go to the Pocket Option Broker and look at the situation on the market. Okay, I click the red button to sell in accordance with the signal from artificial intelligence. Guys, I want to share some great news about a limited time opportunity. This month only, you can get access to a powerful trading tool absolutely free. Once connected, this advanced neural network will be yours permanently. No time limits, no extra payments. You'll receive daily, unlimited trading signals designed to support your analysis and help you make more confident, accurate decisions. The link is waiting for you in the description. Follow it, complete the steps in the bot, and become part of a growing community of traders who use artificial intelligence to strengthen their strategies. If anything is unclear, don't hesitate to reach out to our manager. They'll walk you through the process and help you set up everything with the broker. This trading bot works as your personal assistant, processing data from top indicators in real time and delivering ready-to-use signal suggestions. Speaking from more than 10 years of experience, I can say with confidence, this tool saves time, simplifies analysis, and raises the overall quality of decision-making. No more jumping between multiple tabs and charts. All the key information from 12 major indicators is compiled in one convenient place, making your trading faster and more precise. Also, I'm inviting you to a completely free training session where we'll dive into how the currency pairs market really works. I'll guide you through the basic principles of market behavior, show you how to recognize support and resistance zones, and explain how to read price movement logically. Everything is clear, practical, and immediately applicable to your trading. For registration, simply send a private message via the link in the description. As someone who works professionally in this field, I encourage every beginner to focus on mastering trading logic from the start, because no matter how powerful the tools are, the final decision is always yours. Let's now conduct our technical analysis on the Canadian dollar and Swiss franc currency pair on the TradingView terminal. I'm simply sharing how I personally analyze the market. No advice, no promises, and no guarantees of results. This is just my perspective on the current market conditions. Now, I mark on the chart the key resistance area from which the general trend goes down. The activity of sellers prevails in the market. We can also observe a price correction with the formation of decreasing maximums. However, from these local resistance areas, the price rolls back down in accordance with the general trend. I am sure that this trade will continue to move down. Well, let's make sure that my analysis is correct and the signal from artificial intelligence is accurate. Watch this video to the end, and please write in the comments whether you have traded on the market using a neural network and what results you got. If you're genuinely curious about how the market behaves and want to learn through real-time examples, you're in the right place. Every step forward reveals more. I'm grateful you're here. If what I share helps you think differently about trading, a like and subscription would mean a lot and ensure you stay updated with future insights. Just a reminder, everything on this channel is for educational purposes only. I do not give recommendations. I'm not here to tell you when to trade or what to buy. I simply show how I approach the market based on my personal strategies and outcomes. Smart trading starts with discipline. Success doesn't come from luck or guessing. It comes from strong risk management, clear thinking, and a steady plan. When you pair that with modern tools like a neural network, you gain an edge. These systems don't guess. They process huge volumes of data instantly and spot patterns most people miss. Still, getting a signal isn't the goal. Your ability to interpret and apply it with logic and market awareness is what makes the difference. AI can guide your direction, but it's your mindset and analysis that determine your results. The real power comes when machine precision and human decision-making work together. That's when trading becomes more stable, confident, and sustainable. But none of this matters if you ignore risk. Even the smartest AI can't protect you from careless mistakes. Overtrading, emotional decisions, or risking too much on a single trade are the fastest ways to lose money. That's why I always recommend limiting your exposure. Ideally, never risk more than 3% of your deposit per trade. This one habit alone can save you from major losses and keep your focus sharp. I want to repeat that for a limited time, you can activate this trading tool completely free of charge. Once you do, the bot is yours to keep permanently with full functionality unlocked. I've included the link below. Check it out while the offer is still valid. This promo is only available for 30 days. So if you're ready to dive into data-driven trading, don't wait too long. Meanwhile, the first trade ended successfully. I got a good result thanks to my analysis together with the signal from the bot. If you use the signals from the neural network correctly in accordance with the market behavior, you can work with profit. Let's open a second trade on a 1-minute time frame. Increase the investment amount to $500 and change the currency pair to the Australian dollar Japanese yen. Now I will go to the trading bot interface to receive a signal. I press the currency pair button and the expiration time button. Let's wait a few seconds. So, according to artificial intelligence, the price may go up. Okay, I think buyer activity will increase. I press the green button. If you're eager to dive into trading and want to combine your own analysis with the power of artificial intelligence, feel free to follow the link in the description. You've got a chance to get access to this trading assistant absolutely free for the next 30 days. And once you activate it, it's yours to use permanently. You can also reach out to me directly if you're just starting out. I'm here to help beginners get a solid grasp on the currency pairs market and learn how to apply technical analysis the right way. Trading with the help of a neural network can give your strategy a powerful boost, but the real edge comes when you know how to use those signals wisely. AI processes huge volumes of market data and spots hidden structures, but it's still up to the trader to confirm entries, manage timing, and avoid reacting on emotion. Think of the bot not as a replacement for your own thinking, but as a smart partner that works best when combined with your personal insight. As you can see, the second trade ended with a profit. The AI continues to open up new doors, especially for those just getting started. If you're ready to explore trading with modern tools and technology, grab the bot for free while the offer is still active. Check the description for the link. This has been Time Trade. See you in the next video.